Pack for acne treatment naturally, home remedies for acne, how to get rid of acne, published by healthdsnoopost.blogspot.com, on October 30, 2022.
Acne is a skin condition that affects lots of youngsters and teenagers these days. Acne can be treated with simple lifestyle modifications, such as avoiding oily and processed food, staying active and maintaining hygiene. However, we frequently neglect these essential activities and indulge in those that contribute to acne, such as eating junk food every other day, staying inactive all day, or forgetting to set aside time for self-care. Self-care is important if you want to have a clear skin free from acne. Acne is a skin ailment that occurs when oil and dead skin cells clog hair follicles, inflame blackheads, pus-filled pimple or red sensitive bumps. All are symptoms of acne. Today I am going to share 3 top face packs for acne. These packs have the most natural ingredients that will instantly work on acne and help you get clear and glowing skin. 1. Activated Charcoal Face Pack. First, 1 activated charcoal face. The ingredients that you need are 1 teaspoon activated charcoal powder, 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel, 1 drop of tea tree oil. Now understand the method. In a small bowl, combine all the ingredients and mix them together before applying them on the skin. Massage this charcoal pack on the face in a clockwise directions. Have a circular motion for 1 minute, let the pack dry for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse with warm water. Activated charcoal is an effective anti-acne remedy, which has detoxifying properties, which really purifies the blood. Its incredible exfoliating properties, it clears the clogged pores and deeply cleanses the skin. It makes the appearance of dark spots less visible. Aloe vera gel has astringent properties that pulls dirt and excess oil out of skin, which helps preventing breakout. It contains antibacterial quality that helps to control and reduce the production of bacteria which causes acne. Aloe vera gel is also used to moisturize your skin, and so it will really nourish your skin. Tea tree oil is a wonderful skin treatment option, especially for oily and acne-prone skin. Tea tree oil is a popular choice for treating acne because of its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. It instantly calms redness, swelling, and inflammation. 2. Rice Flower Face Pack. The ingredients are 2 teaspoon rice flour, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon honey. So here, in a small bowl, mix all these 3 ingredients and form a paste. Now apply an even layer on your face and neck of this paste. Apply paste in a circular motion, and let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Gently wash your face with water and dry your face with soft towel. Rice flour is an excellent ingredient to get rid of acne and pigmentation spot. It has skin brightening and a tan property can help to reveal your inner skin glow. It's an excellent source of vitamin B, which helps in the production of new cells and makes your skin look young and fresh. Lemon juice is loaded with citric acid that directly targets the acne-prone areas and dries out the excessive oil. Its antiseptic properties kills bacteria that causes acne. It is loaded with vitamins C and lightens the acne marks slowly. Raw honey helps to balance the bacteria on the skin, making it an excellent acne treatment. Honey also improves the healing of the skin cell, and it is also great moisturizer which can keep your skin soft throughout the day. 3. Orange Peel Face Pack. 1 teaspoon orange peel powder, 2 teaspoon rose water. Add both these ingredients and make a fine paste. Apply this paste all over your face and neck, let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it out with warm water. Tap dry your face later. Orange peel powder can be very easily made in the house. Peel of orange could be put in the sun, let it dry, and then make a powder of it. It is very simple, but this would be wonderful if you do it at home, as orange peel powder is high in vitamin C, which helps in the formation of collagen and elastin in all skin types, especially in oily skin. Because orange peel has antibacterial qualities, they fight because acne causes germs which would result in clear skin. Rose water has antiseptic and antimicrobial properties which helps to reduce symptoms of acne breakout. Rose water has a mild pH level of 5.5, which helps to gently cleanse the skin without harming it. It removes oil and dirt from your skin by unclogging your pores. So here are the 3 best face pack for acne-prone skin. Apply the face pack and see the difference on your skin. Your skin will not only be acne-free, it will also get back its real glow. Apart from all these beneficial packs, you should also practice some asanas that helps to blood circulation in the face region, and this would prevent acne breakout. You can practice Yogendra Chakrasana, Trikonasa, Sarvangasana, Yoga Mudra and Hastapadasana. Remember to maintain a healthy and active lifestyle. This would help to detox all the toxins from your body and help to see that your skin comes back to its original natural glow. Skin would be clear, glowing, and you just enjoy yourself. So take care.